This kid, he makes a video all about me.
Yo guys, what up? It is Black Ninja 403 and I want to send a message to all you haters, alright? You're trying to say that my teeth, my videos, bro. You want to talk about my hairline, bro, you don't even have a hairline. This goes out to Black Diamond D, that's one that, yeah. And number 2 is School Miner, that little cringy little idiot, bro, trying to hate on me. I don't know why and how you got on my channel. That little cringy little idiot, bro, trying to hate on me. I don't know why and how you got on my channel.
It's called the recommended section, stupid! Am I the only one curious why he's filming in the bathroom?
I'm cringy. You say if you came to my channel for cringe, just smash that like button. And then you're talking about my channel that it's cringy. And then you want people to say your YouTube channel is cringy. I'm like,
he's making no sense. I've never said I wanted my thing to be cringy.
Bro. And then my friend called me and I told him about it. He's like, and then he's...
You're telling me he called his friend about a hate comment? That's pretty freaking depressing.
I'm gonna pretend to be the kid real quick. Yo, man, I'm super depressed. Someone called me cringy. I don't know. I'm so sad. I'm gonna make a whole video about it in my bathroom.
I'm not scared of you. I don't even know how School Miner found me out because I'm just like a little kid YouTuber, and he want to start all that trash talking, saying, "Oh yeah, your hairline, oh your teeth got a divorce." Bro, look at your teeth. You got a gap in it.
First of all, everyone has 2 front teeth. Second of all, everyone has a gap between them. There is no just one big tooth. But yours are terrible. There's a huge gap in between your teeth, I swear. And they're uneven. So are your eyes.
Not only that, but he's stealing my roast.
I don't know what you're talking. So yeah, so let this be a message to all of
Yes, let this be a message. If you write a hate comment, he's gonna make a whole 3-minute video about it.
If y'all ain't haters or y'all ain't gonna say something nice, y'all get on my channel, bro. I ain't dealing with this, bro. I ain't like Rice Gun, I ain't Jake Paul, I ain't Logan Paul, bro. I'm not starting beef with anybody, bro. This is just a short little video of all of them haters.
All of them haters, every single 2 of them.
I'm not scared of you.
So I'll leave his link to the video below. Go leave a dislike. Go write a hate comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.